are ready to wake up your taste buds and your brain? If you're like most people, mornings can feel a little sluggish. Maybe you hit the snooze button one too many times, or you're just not feeling that spark of energy you wish you had. But what if I told you there's a way to jumpstart your day that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your body and mind? Imagine stepping into your kitchen, sunlight streaming through the window, and whipping up a drink that's as vibrant as it is revitalizing. Today, we're going to create something that will make you look forward to getting out of bed. A carrot coconut power blend that's sure to become your new morning ritual. Let's blend up something amazing. Grab a carrot, not just any carrot, choose the freshest, brightest orange carrot you can find. Carrots are the unsung heroes of the vegetable world. They're crunchy, sweet, and bursting with color, but did you know they're also loaded with nutrients that can help you feel your best? As you wash and peel your carrot, take a moment to appreciate its vibrant hue. That color comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. It's like nature's way of giving you a little boost before you even take your first sip. Now grab some coconut milk. Coconut milk is the secret ingredient that transforms this blend from a simple juice into a creamy, dreamy treat. It's rich, it's smooth, and it brings a subtle tropical flavor that pairs perfectly with the natural sweetness of carrots. When you pour that coconut milk into your blender, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding healthy fats that help keep you full and satisfied. These fats are called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, and they're known for providing quick, lasting energy. So whether you're heading to work, school, or just tackling your to-do list at home, this blend will help you power through your morning. Boom, 2 powerhouses, 1 cup. When you combine carrots and coconut milk, you're creating a nutritional powerhouse that's greater than the sum of its parts. The carrots bring vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while the coconut milk adds creaminess and healthy fats. Together, they make a blend that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nourishing. It's like giving your body a double dose of goodness with every sip. Toss in some ice. Maybe a splash of honey if you're feeling sweet. Ice is the key to making this blend refreshingly cool and invigorating, especially on a warm morning. And if you have a bit of a sweet tooth, a drizzle of honey can take this drink to the next level. Honey isn't just for sweetness. It's also packed with antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties. So go ahead, treat yourself to a little extra flavor and health benefits. Blend it up, watch that bright orange magic happen. There's something almost hypnotic about watching the ingredients whirl together in the blender. The carrots and coconut milk combine to create a vibrant orange color that's as beautiful as it is appetizing. As the ice breaks down, the blend becomes frothy and smooth, transforming into a drink that looks like pure sunshine in a glass. Take a moment to enjoy the process. It's a little bit of kitchen magic that you get to experience every morning. Here's the deal. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A, but that's just the beginning. Carrots are also a great source of fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. They contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Plus, the antioxidants in carrots can help protect your cells from damage and support your immune system. It's no wonder carrots have been a staple in healthy diets for generations. That's the superhero for your eyes and skin. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low light. It also helps keep your skin healthy and glowing by supporting cell growth and repair. If you've ever wanted to give your complexion a natural boost, adding more carrots to your diet is a great place to start. And let's not forget, vitamin A also plays a role in supporting your immune system, helping you stay healthy all year long. Coconut milk brings the creamy vibes and healthy fats. But what exactly does that mean for your body? The healthy fats in coconut milk are unique because they're easily digested and quickly converted into energy. Unlike some other fats, MCTs don't get stored in your body as fat. They're used right away to fuel your brain and muscles. This makes coconut milk an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay energized and focused throughout the day. Plus, the creamy texture makes every sip feel like a treat, even though you're nourishing your body with every gulp. Your brain will thank you. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats in this blend is like a wake-up call for your mind. Vitamin A supports brain function, while the MCTs in coconut milk provide a quick source of energy for your brain cells. If you've ever struggled with brain fog in the morning, this drink could be the solution you've been looking for. Imagine starting your day with mental clarity, focus, and a sense of well-being, all from a simple, delicious smoothie. Your taste buds will throw a party. The natural sweetness of carrots, the creamy richness of coconut milk, the coolness of ice, and the hint of honey all come together to create a flavor that's both refreshing and satisfying. It's a drink that feels indulgent, but it's actually good for you. And if you want to mix things up, you can always add a pinch of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla, or even a handful of fresh ginger for a little extra zing. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds will thank you for the variety. Feeling tired? This blend wakes you up, no coffee needed. If you're trying to cut back on caffeine or just want a healthier way to start your day, this carrot coconut power blend is the perfect alternative. The natural sugars in carrots provide a gentle energy boost, while the healthy fats in coconut milk help sustain that energy throughout the morning. You'll feel awake, alert, and ready to take on whatever the day throws your way, without the jitters or crash that can come from coffee. Need a snack? it keeps you full and happy. One of the best things about this blend is how satisfying it is. The combination of fiber from the carrots and healthy fats from the coconut milk helps keep you feeling full for hours. That means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or sugary treats later in the day. Whether you enjoy it as a quick breakfast, a mid-morning snack, or even an afternoon pick-me-up, this smoothie is a smart choice for anyone looking to stay energized and satisfied. Plus, it's so easy, you could make it in your sleep. Seriously, this recipe is about as simple as it gets. All you need are a few basic ingredients, a blender, and a couple of minutes. There's no chopping, no cooking, and no complicated steps. Just toss everything in the blender, hit the button, and you're done. It's the perfect solution for busy mornings when you don't have time to fuss over breakfast. And because it's so quick and easy, you can make it a part of your daily routine without any hassle. Just don't actually try that. Safety first. As tempting as it might be to whip up this smoothie with your eyes closed, always remember to be careful in the kitchen. Use a sharp knife to cut your carrots, handle the blender with care, and make sure the lid is on tight before you start blending. If you're making this with kids, it's a great opportunity to teach them about kitchen safety while having fun together. And hey, a little laughter in the morning is always a good thing, so skip the sugary cereal. We all know how easy it is to reach for a box of cereal when you're in a rush, but most cereals are loaded with sugar and empty calories. They might give you a quick burst of energy, but it doesn't last, and you'll probably be hungry again in an hour. Instead, treat yourself to something that's both delicious and nourishing. Your body will thank you, and you'll start your day on the right foot. Start your day with this carrot coconut power drink. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in how you feel. When you fuel your body with real whole foods, you're giving yourself the best possible start. You'll have more energy, better focus, and a greater sense of well-being. Plus, you'll be setting a positive example for your family and friends. Imagine everyone in your household starting the day with a glass of this vibrant, nourishing blend. It's a small change that can lead to big results. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. With every sip, you'll be transported to a sunny beach, palm trees swaying in the breeze, and the sound of waves in the distance. The creamy coconut milk and sweet carrots create a flavor that's both exotic and comforting. Even if you're just sitting at your kitchen table, you'll feel like you're on a mini getaway, and who couldn't use a little escape now and then? Try it tomorrow. Your mornings will never be the same. Once you experience the energy, focus, and satisfaction that comes from starting your day with this carrot coconut power blend, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. It's more than just a drink. It's a daily ritual that sets the tone for a healthy, happy day. And the best part? You can customize it to suit your tastes and needs. Add a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Toss in some chia seeds for added fiber, or blend in a handful of spinach for even more nutrients. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. Cheers to waking up the fun way. So here's to you, to vibrant mornings, to delicious nutrition, and to making every day a little brighter. Whether you're sharing this smoothie with friends, family, or just enjoying a quiet moment to yourself, take a moment to celebrate the simple joys of good food and good health. Raise your glass, take a sip, and get ready to take on the day with energy, focus, and a smile. The Carrot Coconut Power Blend isn't just a drink. It's a celebration of everything that makes mornings magical. So go ahead, give it a try and see how amazing you can feel. Here's to your health, your happiness, and your best mornings ever.